One thing I didn't really factor in prior to doing this is the fact that you need to clean this out religiously. So I got a bucket of water here, and there's some acetone actually in here to break up some of this thick goop lizard skin product. And then also I have a little comb cleaning tool that I kind of, pretty much every time I'm running low on the lizard skin, I have to take this off, take off the mouthpiece, clean this out, clean out the gun, make sure it's not clogged, because it gets clogged up really easily. I also got a little metal paper clip that I just unraveled and stick down the nozzle, kind of just break up any gunk that's in there. It's a tedious process, but it really goes a long way when you clean this out properly before you fill it up. It'll spray out 10 times faster initially, and then eventually as it clogs up it slows down quite a bit. So something I didn't really anticipate. But also, one other thing you can do to speed up the process of spraying is you can get a shot glass and fill it with water and mix it in with the lizard skin, which is what I did. And I called up Lizard Skin, the company, and I double checked with them to make sure that was okay to mix it in with a little bit of water. They just said, be careful you don't mix too much water, otherwise you'll ruin the product essentially. You want it to be a certain consistency, which is why it's pretty thick, but if you need to loosen it up a bit, you can put a little bit of water in there and mix it in. Also, something I didn't know on day one was on the nozzle you want to loosen this all the way so that the opening is biggest on the front. So loosen this all the way.